Hello children, a pleasant morning to everyone. In our previous class, we learned the story of wonderful waste in English explanation, and also I gave difficult words and their meanings. Children, have you understood and learned them properly? Today in this class, we will complete question and answer based on the lesson given at the end of the lesson. Questions and answers. Dear students, can you answer to these questions? What were the preparations in the palace for? Answer. There were the preparations for a grand feast in the palace. Next question. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? Answer. The Maharaja went into the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Next question. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? Answer. Firstly, the cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. Later, he decided to prepare a new dish with the help of the vegetable scraps. Next question. What are the ingredients that are used to make avial? Answer. Vegetable scraps, green chilies, coconut, garlic, salt, curd, coconut oil and curry leaves. New phrases. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. Lo and behold. Look, what a surprise. Traditional feast. Hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Wonderful waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." "You cannot waste all those bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them," the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste.